Alright, we just got the call. Here's the deal. Alien took a girl hostage. We're gonna go in. I get the girl, you take out the alien. We teleport out, get paid. Got it?
There's a girl?
Yeah, that's what I just said. Here's the deal. I'm gonna say it one more time. It's real simple. We go in. I get the girl. You take out the alien, teleport out. Got it?
Yeah. I get the girl, you get the alien. Let's do this!
Wait, hold. Oh, crap. All right, stay sharp.
Okay.
Hey, there's the girl. Where's the alien?
I don't know. Whoa!
What the heck is that?
I don't know!
Hey, what is it you want? What do you want? What do you want? Whoa, stay back, stay back. This little crazy little thing. Okay, hey, what's going on here? What does he want?
I'm just a pizza delivery girl. He wants his pizza. He can't pay for it. I just want to go home.
He just wants pizza. Hey, do you got any money?
Nah, you?
Come on, I paid for it last time.
No, I did.
Okay, I got it. I'll pay for it. That's all he wants. Thank you. Sorry about that.
Boy, come back. Add me on Facebook.
Here you go. Hey, can I have a slice? Awesome.